Hello guys and welcome back. Today is 31 October 2024 and in this video we will discuss about Forex account management service and I will show you yesterday's results means 30 October 2024 because I was busy yesterday and couldn't make the video. So guys, this is my master account and this is XNS broker account and I am using this account as a master account and all other clients accounts are linked with this master account. So yesterday there were 5 setups on gold. And on the each setup, the risk was 1% and there were 3 stop losses and 2 take profits. So we lost 3% on 3 trades and we made 7% on 2 trades. So overall, after hitting the take profits and stop losses, overall we made 4% profit yesterday. So guys, yesterday we made 4% profit on the master account. That's mean on all the clients accounts, we made 4% profit. Now let's talk about the trades. So this was our first zone for buying and this was my entry point and the stop loss was here below this zone which got hit at this point and the take profit was at this point. And the next zone was again this setup was for buying and this was my entry point and the stop loss was at this point and this was my take profit. And the next setup was again this setup was for buying and this was my entry point and the stop loss was at this point which got hit and the take profit was at this point. But after grabbing this liquidity hunting from below this low, this was a highly confirmed setup for buying and I took 2 entries with 1% risk and the stop loss was at this point and the take profit was at this point, but I manually closed at this point. So we made 7% profit on these 2 trades and we lost 3% in 3 trades and overall yesterday profit was 4%. So guys, these was the yesterday's results. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.